During this digital age, technology has come a long way. From 360 video to augmented reality has really made it easy to redesign your home from home. But we're going to take it one step further with virtual interior design. Meeting with a virtual designer makes it easy to get expert advice from the comfort of your home. So in this video, we're going to break down the 7 furniture stores that offer the virtual interior design services. And we're going to do it in no particular order. First one on our list is La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Decor, as they offer free design consultations by email, phone, video, and even private appointment. And their services include design consultations for any and every stage of your project. Your own interior design team is dedicated to bringing your unique vision to life, and they also offer personalized 3D room plans tailored to your lifestyle and budget. Next one on our list is Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn offers virtual interior design services by email, phone, and video. Their interior designers can curate products from the entire family of brands, including Williams-Sonoma, West Elm, and Rejuvenation. Crate & Barrel offers virtual design services through the Crate Design Studio. Their interior designers are ready to offer inspiration via email, chat, and virtual home visit. After you submit the form on their website, you can expect a response within 72 hours. Next up is Haverty's. Haverty's offers virtual design consultations via email and phone to all of their clients for free. They will pair you with an interior design specialist who can create your space that you love. Your designer will select your furniture, fabric, and accessories, plus they can design custom pieces. After that, we find ourselves looking at Restoration Hardware. They offer virtual interior design services by email, phone, text, or video. Their interior designers are able to help you select products, pick colors, and place orders. However, you must be an RH member to take advantage of their complimentary design services. Ashley Furniture offers virtual interior design services with Ashley, their virtual assistant spot. Ashley is able to help answer questions about products, orders, and current promotions. Once you answer a few questions, they are able to connect you with an actual human. Ethan Allen offers virtual interior design services by online chat only. Their live chat connects you with a real designer instead of a customer service representative, and this is a free design service which is offered to everyone who visits their website. Those are the 7 furniture stores near you that offer a virtual interior design service. And you can check out La-Z-Boy's virtual interior design service by checking our description down below and signing up to talk to one of our degreed interior designers for free. And they can help you from the ease of your home.